everybody. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick and easy tutorial on what to do if your Apple Watch is locked, you forgot your passcode, things like that, you can't get into your Apple Watch. Probably one of the worst feelings. It's happened with my iPhone before. I can do a separate video for that later. For this video, it's going to be exclusively for the Apple Watch. So I got my watch on the charger right now, and I'm about to show you guys what to do if you forgot your passcode for your Apple Watch and you can't access it no more. Alright, so there are different steps to follow depending on the situation. For example, if you have your watch, there's a passcode enabled and you forgot the passcode, you also no longer have the iPhone that it's paired to, then you want to follow these steps right here. The first thing you're going to need is your charger. So you're going to have to connect the watch to the charger, power it on obviously. Please keep in mind that following these steps will reset the watch. That is the only way to get past the passcode lock. If you do have a backup, you can restore that backup after you go through the setup process and the passcode is removed. If you don't have a backup from previously, then you would have to set up the watch as new, so please keep that in mind. If you're going to have to use the watch and you don't have a backup, then I mean, your only option really is to reset it and set it up as new. To me, it's not a huge deal, but to some people, you know, the activity and the workouts and things like that, that's a big deal for them. So let's go through the steps. So you have the watch powered on, placed on the charger. What you're going to do is on the main screen, you're going to hold down this side button until the power slider comes up right here. So let's see if we can get that closer. So you got the power slider right here. What you're going to want to do is press down firmly on that power slider and let go. And then you're going to see two options. The first option is erase all content and settings, and the second option is cancel. To proceed, what you're going to want to do is press erase all content and settings. So what this does is it resets the watch. It's going to power off. I'm not going to press it right now because I'd have to set up my watch all over again, and that takes a long time. This is Series 1, so it does take a little bit longer to load and things like that. So what all you need to do, press the erase all content and settings option. What's going to happen is the watch is going to reset. It's going to go through a reset process. It takes a little bit of time. Once that is done, you can use the watch app on your iPhone and pair it right back to the Apple Watch. And then through the setup, it's going to give you the option to set up as new or restore from a backup. Obviously, if you have a backup to restore from, that's great. You can restore that backup and all's good. If not, then you can set up the watch as new, create your own passcode again, or you can just set up without a passcode. Now, if another situation, if you have your paired iPhone and you still have passcode lock, you can actually go into the watch app and then go into general, reset, and then erase all content and settings from there. And what that's going to do is reset the watch automatically from your iPhone without having to go through the steps. But in most situations that I've encountered with family and friends, they no longer have that iPhone that is paired to, and they're stuck with the watch and they can't get in it. So they're going to have to reset following the steps. Again, the steps are just hold down this side button and then press down firmly. You're going to have to press down a little bit hard and let go, and then you're going to see the erase all content and settings option. That's all you need to do to reset the watch. Again, it does have to be connected to the charger to get that option, so I'd recommend just leaving it on the charger throughout the process and you're all set. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any comments, questions, any other tutorials you want to see, any questions about the Apple Watch, pretty good with that stuff, so just let me know. Give me a thumbs up if it helped.